Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is to carry someone with you through the entirety of your practice. So that may be the warm-ups and the Qigong, the cool-downs, the form practice, the two-person set, I don't know. But carry them with you through the entire practice. And who we're trying to carry through the practice is somebody who never understood what this art is to you and for you. Maybe they never bothered, maybe they always misunderstood, maybe they thought they understood, so they never really learned to listen. For many of us, that's a pretty painful aspect of our relations, our families, our friends. They never quite understand. So carrying them with you through the whole of the practice, perhaps on your tongue, but certainly in the heart and the mind. And then perhaps give them a tour of the practice. Maybe with words, maybe not, maybe just in your mind. But give them a tour of the practice. This is what this is. This is what this means to me. This is what this has done for me or through me or with me. Give them the tour of your practice. Keep them with you for the whole of your practice, in your mind, in your heart, perhaps on your tongue. And I wish you salve for your wounds, and I wish that your scars can teach you. Thank you.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way, and if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.